County in northwestern Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Odena to near Sanborn, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Odena around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Kearney around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Saxon around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include High Bridge, Mason, Bad River Reservation, New Odena, Moqua, Cedar, Franks Field, Birch Hill, and Copper Falls State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Wisconsin: Ashland, Mayfield, and Iron. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXM. In Duluth, Minnesota has issued a special marine warning for Lake Superior west of a line from Saxon Harbor, Wisconsin to Grand Portage, Minnesota beyond 5 nautical miles, Oak Point to Saxon Harbor, Wisconsin, outer Apostle Islands beyond 5 nautical miles from mainland until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Madeline Island to 8 nautical miles south of Ashland Breakwater Lighthouse, moving east at 30 knots. Expected hazards include wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A special in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a special marine warning for Lake Superior west of a line from Saxon Harbor, Wisconsin to Grand Portage, Minnesota beyond 5 nautical miles, Oak Point to Saxon Harbor, Wisconsin, outer Apostle Islands beyond 5 nautical miles from mainland until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 11 nautical miles northeast of Madeline Island, or 35 nautical miles southwest of the western Lake Superior buoy, moving east at 35 knots. Expected hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe